As AAAAI 2025 comes to a close, we want to take a moment to thank everybody who stopped by our booth, engaged in conversations and explored the Asthma and Allergy Friendly Certification Programme. This year's theme, Climate Change and Allergic Disease, highlighted the urgent need for healthier indoor environments. Our programme plays a critical role in this conversation by ensuring that certified products meet rigorous scientific standards to reduce exposure to allergens and irritants and support healthier spaces for those that are affected by asthma and allergies. We certify a wide range of products that impact indoor air quality, including air purifiers, insulation, paint, bedding, vacuum cleaners, washing machines and laundry detergent. These are everyday essentials that, when certified, contribute to a cleaner, healthier environment. It's been an incredible few days connecting with healthcare professionals, industry leaders and innovators who are all working towards the same goal: improved indoor environments from those with asthma and allergies. A huge thank you to all of our certified clients who showcase their product here at our AAAAI booth, and to our newest partners who are joining the programme. We're really excited about the momentum that we've built, and we look forward to continuing these important conversations beyond this conference. If you didn't get a chance to visit us, you can always reach out to learn more. Until next time, thank you for being a part of AAAAI 2025.